back to my channel. You know, this is the girl Sassy Div, and I'm here with another video. Oh, when I don't watch me here, it not done do. It wash and care, but it not finished, so that's why I'm covering it. Anyhow, today's video is me doing an unboxing. I won this on Sushi Live probably about 2 months ago. It took really long to get here. Really long. I literally collected today, so I'm just gonna do the video today. So, I'm gonna try it on too, so I'm gonna just look out. I can't even bother with what if I tear in business or come here. Okay. Alright, so this is the bottom. It's one of her merch set. Yeah, I want it on her live on one of the games night. Games night? Or was it our monetization? I don't even remember because it was such a long time. And as usual, you know our fans. That's the bottom. This is the top. Be yourself all over it again, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try it on now. So this is what it is looking like. The front, the back, and it goes all the way down. I can't take out so you